Hi guys, so today we're going to make one of these like flower, like Hawaiian necklaces is what we're going to do today. So it's going to be really, really cool and I'm excited about it. But what you're going to need is some yarn and some tissue paper and you're going to need to know how to tie a knot. That's it. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a whole bunch of yarn. More yarn than what you think you're going to need. Okay? That's probably good. So what I would do is I would grab one end of the yarn in one hand, stretch your arms all the way out, and then cut it at the end of your other hand, okay? So it's like the length of your wingspan. So then what we're going to do is we're going to start in the middle of your yarn. So I'm going to fold my yarn in half. Maybe. Here we go. All right, I'm going to fold my yarn in half, okay? I'm going to take just one piece of tissue paper, all right, and I'm going to kind of crinkle it up some, and I'm going to take my yarn and just do the first part of my shoelace, just like when you're tying your shoes. I'm going to pull it tight, okay, and then I'm going to do that second time. And this is why we had to get a whole bunch of yarn, because it ends up using up some of our yarn whenever we're doing it. So then what you can do is you can spread it out like this right here. Or you can even rip the little edges to make them look circle if you want to. But then we have little, really cool lace. See? Little flowers. So you're just going to keep doing that around the whole thing. But I would recommend you using lots of different contrast between your flowers. So lots of different colors, right? And try to keep your flowers close together. I'm going to try it a different way this time. Use some variety whenever you're making this. You can make flowers that are bigger on one side, smaller on the other. Right, this is your art. So there's really no limit to this. And I hope you all learned a lot about these and you got to research these during your ELA class. Because that'll make it even more fun. Now you understand why we have these and why they use them in Hawaii, and it'll be really cool, right? So what happens if you keep your flowers, if your flowers are too far spread apart, okay? That is a great question. So if I have two flowers that are too far apart, what I can do is I can come back, so see like these are kind of a little bit far apart, I can come back with another piece of tissue paper, okay, and just put it right there in the middle. And this is called making a knot on a hitch. So you kind of make a loop around it. You keep this pink one here, okay, and hold it here. Take this side, pull it through the loop, okay, and then you maybe pull it tight. Let's try that again. Okay, there we go. Now they're just kind of closer. But theoretically that should work. So just keep trying. You can add another one in there somehow. Some way. All right. So and you just keep adding all these little pieces of tissue paper and then you're going to have like a flower lei. Okay? So I cannot wait to see what they look like. All right. Happy making, guys.